Cricket. Cricket, the game. What do you know cricket? इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग झिंगू. क्रिकेट मीन्स and a jumping. Can you see the word? A jumping insect which makes chirping sound. बहुत जोर का आवाज करता है. Can you see the word?
Yes.
Very good. Accustomed to. Write the word meanings. Habituated to. Crumb, a piece of food. Famine, scarcity of food. In Hindi you can say akal. When there is no sufficient amount of food. Dripping with weight. Weight with drops of water. Miserly. Here means cautious. यहाँ पर मीनिंग इसका अलग काउसस, जो बहुत अलर्ट है, वेरी केयरफुल. Save nothing. Gain. This poem is adapted from Aesop's Fables. Aesop is an ancient Greek poet. Fable means a piece of literature who gives any moral. Fable means a piece of literature either in prose or in poem that gives moral, but characters are here animals, not human beings. Okay? How many participants are here? Only 6. Are you able to look at the words?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You take the screenshot, okay? And later on you will write in your CW copy. Did you take a screenshot? So what is the meaning of fable? Fable is a story with animals as characters that gives moral. Okay. Here in this poem we find 2 characters. One character is an ant and another character is a cricket. In Hindi you can say झिंगूर, जो बरसात के समय में बहुत जो है आवाज करता है. A silly young cricket. Yes. Anything to say?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Very late?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, okay. What's your name?
Archie.
Okay, Archie.
Archie.
You are very late today. But all that. Okay, doesn't matter. Now I start the poem. A silly young cricket, silly means nonsense, foolish. Accustomed to sing, he was habituated to singing. He was used to singing all the time. He enjoyed singing all the time. He used to sing. Through the warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring, when it was a spring season and when it was a summer season, in his cheerful days, in his gay days, he used to sing in the warm and sunny months. But after spring, which season came? Summer season came, and after the season, which season came? Rainy season came, and after the rainy season, which season will come? Winter season will be. First spring, then summer, and after the summer rainy day, and after the rainy season, winter season will start. Yes, winter season. Began to complain. One silly young cricket began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard means closet, जो अलमारी है जहाँ वो where he stores some food items, that is called cupboard. Okay, closet जहाँ अपना food item को वो gather करता है, जमा stores करता है, that is called cupboard. उसे देखा, his closet was empty and winter was come. Winter season was about to come, आने वाला था. Winter season क्या होता है? पूरा एकदम snow covered ground you find there, and there is no any grain. So from where he will get grain? From where he will get food? So this was the problem for the young cricket, and in his sunny days he used to only sing. He did not care for gathering food for the cold days or in the winter season. Not a crumb to be found. There was not a single piece of food that was in his cupboard on the snow-covered ground, and a flower could he see. Not a flower could he see, and you know that if there is flower gives what? Corn. No flower, no corn, no food. Not a leaf on the tree, पेड़ पर एक भी पत्ता नहीं था. So he became very anxious. He was worried when he found nothing in his cupboard, in his closet, in his store. Oh, what will become of me? मेरा क्या होगा? Says the cricket. At last, by starvation means death due to hunger. In Hindi, you can say bhukmari. At last, by starvation and famine, scarcity of food made all dripping with wet. वो पूरा बारिश की बूंदों से भरा हुआ था, पानी में वो रहता है. And all trembling with cold, क्योंकि वो he lives in the water, he was trembling with cold. Away he set off to a miserly band. He set out, प्रस्थान किया वो. To whom? To a miserly ant. Miserly means कंजूस होता है, but here you will mean it as very cautious. He went to the cautious ant. cautious बहुत केयरफुल था वो, and अपने cold days के लिए, अपने bad days के लिए he had stored much food in his cupboard. वो उसी से मांगने के लिए गया. आप देखते होंगे कि वो एक एक कण बहुत मेहनत से जमा करता है. कौन? एंड जमा करता है. बहुत अच्छा. टू सी इफ टू कीप हिम अलाइव, ये देखने के लिए कि उसको अलाइव रखने के लिए ही वुड ग्रांट हिम शेल्टर फ्रॉम रेन, क्या उसे शेल्टर देगा रेन से बचने के लिए. एंड ए माउथ फुल ऑफ ग्रेन, और खाने के लिए उसको अनाज देगा. ही इज ओनली टू बोरो, वो कहना चाहता था I am willing only to borrow from you, and after some time I will lend you everything what I have taken. मैं आपको सब दे दूंगा, अभी मुझे केवल उधार दीजिए. He would only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. If not, अगर आप नहीं देते हैं, he must die of starvation and sorrow. Starvation means die due to hunger. भूखमरी का शिकार हो जाएगा और वो दुखी हो जाएगा और मर जाएगा. Says the ant to the cricket. अब एंट कहता है क्रिकेट से, I am your servant. देखो आप तो मेरे मालिक हैं. जो आदमी मेहनती होता है, बहुत काइंड होता है और बहुत कटियस भी होता है, बहुत पोलाइट भी होता है. देखिए आप तो मेरे मास्टर हैं. एंड I am your servant. सर्वेंट भी हूँ मैं आपका, फ्रेंड भी हूँ. बट वी एंड्स नेवर बोरो, लेकिन हम एंड्स कभी किसी से उधार नहीं लेते हैं. एंड यू हैव कम टू मी फॉर बोरोइंग सम फूड, आप फूड को बोरो करने के लिए आए हैं, लेकिन हम एंड्स कहीं बोरो नहीं करते हैं. वी एंड्स नेवर लैंड, हम किसी को उधार देते भी नहीं हैं. वी आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग क्रीचर्स, वी आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग इंसेक्ट्स. नहीं हम बोरो. कोच द क्रिकेट, कोच means shade. Coach is the use of old English and modern English shade. क्रिकेट ने कहा, Not I, my friend, my heart was so light. मैंने नहीं बचाया, मेरा हार्ट इतना हैप्पी था. लाइट मतलब हैप्पी. Who was saying this? The cricket was saying. ये क्रिकेट was saying that I sang day and night. मैं दिन रात केवल गाते रहा. I was very fond of singing. For all nature looked gay. For Miss Beckett, for Miss के लिए भी होता है, यहाँ नहीं होगा because. क्योंकि सारा नेचर जो है was looking gay, was looking very cheerful, was looking very happy. You sang, sir, you say. आप गाते रहे. आप सर क्या बोल रहे हैं? Who says this? And say, go there. ठीक है, आप केवल अगर दिन रात गाते रहे तब जाइए. And dance the winter away, and you dance so much that winter will be gone from you. आप डांस करिए, your body will become warm and winter will go away from you. अगर आपने कुछ नहीं बचाया है तो डांस करिए, विंटर चला जाएगा. Thus ending, और इस प्रकार अपने सेंटेंस को उसने एंड किया. The hastily, very quickly lifted Reprint means closed. The wicket. Wicket means window of his house. Of whose house? The ant. The ant closed his wicket, closed his window, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. अपने दरवाजे से क्रिकेट को भगा दिया. Turned away. Folks means people. People call this a fable. Fable means moral story. I will warrant it true, but I will say it is true. लोग कहते हैं, folk कहते हैं कि ये फेबल है, moral story है, लेकिन मैं कहता हूँ this story is true. क्योंकि क्रिकेट को तो 4 legs होता है, झिंगुर को, है ना, लेकिन हम लोग ह्यूमन बींग्स कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो 2 पाँव वाले हैं, वो मेहनत नहीं करते हैं, एंड दे आर वेरी लेजी. जो लेजी रहेंगे दे विल डाई ड्यू टू स्टारवेशन, ड्यू टू स्कार्सिटी ऑफ फूड. वो मरेगा ही. जो आलसी होगा उसका बहुत दुखद अंत होगा. दे विल गेट द ट्रेजिक एंड. सम क्रिकेट्स हैव 4 legs and some have 2. उसको 2 legs होते हैं. And who are these 2-legged creatures? कौन है 2-legged creatures? ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं. हम लोग भी 2 पाँव वाले हैं, बहुत आलसी होते हैं, क्लास अटेंड नहीं करते हैं, मेहनत करना नहीं चाहते हैं. जो मेहनत नहीं करेगा he will not enjoy the fruit. उसको फल नहीं मिलेगा. Have you anything to ask? And you will write down. I am sending you in your group, and you will write the summary of this poem. Okay? कुछ पूछना है आपको?
सर क्या बोले?
आपको समरी लिखना है. होमवर्क, राइट समरी, और आपको ग्रुप में भेज देंगे. आप उसको मेमोराइज कर लेंगे वर्ड मीनिंग को. आपने लिख लिया इसको? ओके, वेरी गुड.